Welcome back for my more important analysis videos on Thursday the 9th of November with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec markets, looking at dollar yen now, which has rolled over, hasn't it? It's broken this uptrend that had been forming over the past sort of few weeks. That run of higher lows is still intact, however, if that 12.95 support that we saw last week is breached to the downside, that would complete a small top pattern and imply a move back towards sort of 11.50 again. But yeah, it sort of is rolling over. You'd certainly argue the run of candles that we've had actually in the last week or so, pretty much negative across the board, apart from Tuesday's candle. Each one of them failing whenever it gets anywhere near sort of 14.25 to 14.50 area, sort of falling over, and now it's starting to gain a little bit of traction in a correction. You look at these momentum indicators, the RSI falling at 53. If it got below 50, which was the October low, then that would again turn market far more corrective. Stochastics falling away, MACD lines gaining a little bit of sort of traction of downside. So there is a near-term look to this chart that seems to be correcting back, and 12.95, bit of old resistance turned into new support. So 12.95 being that key level to watch, I think, on the downside. So having broken that uptrend, the pressure is beginning to mount. Yesterday we saw the market failing at 14.05 area, so that's your lower higher resistance. Market sort of rolling over on the hourly RSI, having previously gone above 70, hit 70, then below 70. It seems sort of low 60s. Sort of all suggests sort of failing at lower levels. Again, MACD line, similar sort of story, failing at neutral, crossing lower. So rallies are being seen as a near-term selling opportunity, although this market is certainly not decisive in its move. I think if you saw below 12.95, you would start to see a decisive near-term direction, and you could argue still sort of in a consolidation band of the last sort of few weeks, really. It's just sort of arguably pulling back towards that the support of that breakout, but 12.95 is key to this whole situation, I think, and that needs to be a level that is watched. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.